Hello, I'm Rod Waters of Laserod. We're going to show you today a laser resistor trimmer, an active trimmer, a Laserod Mel 40, and it trims or adjusts active or functioning circuits that are under power to an output circuit value. Next, we're going to move on to one of our laser experts, Pothoven, who is head of engineering and production. Thank you.
This is the Laserod Mel 40 laser resistor trimming station. It's both an active and a passive resistor trimming station. It's primarily designed for manual R&D trimming and low production trimming. The system comes with a computer controlled interface that allows you to jog position, set trim parameters for trimming the resistors, manually go through, turn laser on and off, illumination on and off. All your position and target value readouts are displayed on the right hand side of the screen. So you can go through and run this in a manual mode where you basically push the jog buttons and trim it with the laser on and off buttons here. Or you can do it in a semi-automated mode where you actually go through and make a batch file program, predetermine all the positions and resistance values or voltage values you want to trim to, and run a batch file, and it will run the thing automated for you. Above the computer system is the video system. This gives you real-time feedback of what the laser will be trimming. So you can position the laser via the crosshair positioning system, and you can actually watch the trim in progress while it's trimming. Next to the monitor, we have the computer instrumentation. Various customer-supplied instruments can be provided, DMMs, electronic loads, power supplies. But anything that will connect via GPIB can be controlled and interfaced through the software. The Mel 40 station has an overhead moving beam. The parts stay stationary down below it. You can either put flat substrates on there and trim individual parts, or you can actually have various different fixtures that you can load into the system. Some of the controls on the system are beam spot size. You can control the spot size of the beam and the power of the beam through these front panel two knobs. You can control the illumination and the workstation lighting through the other controls on the right hand side of the system here. The part is mounted onto a manual XY fixture, so you can actually manually trim the lasers using the knobs on these in a manual configuration, or you can use the computer controls for the computer system. Various lenses are provided up on the top turret that allow you different magnifications for different spot sizes, or viewing magnifications for referencing the part location and finding your resistors. This is the manual slide door. It's got a latch mechanism. You pull to release, and then simply slide the door open. Interlocks on the side so that once you open the door, the laser shutter is closed for safety reasons, so you cannot be exposed to any laser light once the door is open. Then you simply slide the door closed, latch it back, and then you can operate the laser. The shutter will now open and let the laser progress for lasing. So Laserod has over 20 years of custom laser experience. We service and support these all over the world. We'd be very happy to work with you in the future.